Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tagmo for Amiibo. First, you will need an Android device with NFC enabled and the Tagmo application installed. You also need blank NTag 215 NFC tags, which are crucial for storing your Amiibo data. These tags are readily available and typically come in packs of 10 or more. Make sure your device's NFC is turned on in its settings before proceeding to the next steps. Next, you will need to gather the essential Amiibo data files. These are typically found as bin files corresponding to specific Amiibo characters. Additionally, you must obtain two critical key files, lock secret, bin, and unfixed info. Bin. These key files are vital for Tagmo to properly encrypt and write the Amiibo data. Once downloaded, organize all these files into a single, easily accessible folder on your Android device. Now open the Tagmo application. First, navigate to the settings and load the lock secret, bin, and unfixed info. Bin key files you downloaded earlier. Then return to the main screen and select the specific Amiibo, bin file you want to create. Place a blank NTag 215 tag directly onto your phone's NFC reading area. Finally, tap the right tag button, and Tagmo will transfer the Amiibo data to your tag in just a few seconds. Congratulations! Your custom Amiibo tag is now ready for use. Simply take your newly written NTag 215 tag and tap it against the NFC reader on your compatible gaming console, such as a Nintendo Switch or Wii U. The console will recognize it just like an official Amiibo figure. You can now unlock exclusive in-game items, characters, or other special features, enhancing your gaming experience with your personalized Amiibo collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.